afraid when you want to start your YouTube channel. So I'm going to rush because I have a 1:30 webinar. It's not a one-man thing. Don't be afraid to share content, and don't be afraid to subscribe to people. It's free. Collaborate with people. I go to Dio's channels and I check what he's doing on his channel. He has told me things as well. Dr. Malik was the one that told me to start a YouTube channel. He told me last year, but I didn't. He said, okay, you have content now. You have so much content. You have content more than me, and you are just wasting it on Facebook. Why don't you come to YouTube? But I just didn't. I had a YouTube channel. I had it for many years, maybe 4 or 5 years. But it was just, maybe when they call me on TVC or channels news, I'll just put it there. But there were some things that I was not doing. For me, I assumed that just put it on there. But you don't just put a video on YouTube and just assume that people will watch it. In fact, some of the names of my video, 21st century parenting, things like that. Nobody is searching for 21st century parenting. And even if they are, there are 1 million other people that have the same title as you. So they will not even be looking for, they will not put you, because those people, they've been on YouTube, they know the game, they've been there for years. So if you have a parenting channel like my own, you're not going to say, okay, for example, yesterday, when they were beating one child or they not beat one child, I just jumped on that trend. I just did a quick video and I just put, "Mommy, calm down." In under 10 hours, that video had 503 hits. Under 10 hours. Go and check it, it's still there. Because it was a hot topic, people wanted to hear. So you jump on trends, you use your tags, and when you want to tag something, you don't say books, sell book, Emeka, and things like that. No, you will say how to make $1 million pounds or dollars from your book. You will use something that is very, very catchy. You won't just do something boring or what I did last night. Nobody cares about what you did last night. They don't even know you, what you did last night. So your tags are very important. Your titles are very important, and you must have thumbnails. I see a lot of Nigerians, they will just put YouTube video and let YouTube choose the thumbnail for them. And when I say thumbnail, it's like a cover page. You have a book. Can you sell a book that doesn't have book cover? Is it possible? No, the book will not sell. You have to put one catchy, fine picture. So even if you have to come out in the sunlight or get a photographer that will put one gang photo, you see, and you must be always ready to jump on trends. Now, Emeka told me, I was not even expecting Emeka to tell me to join because I have a webinar at 1:30. And he said, okay, I should join the thing. Guess what? Look at my background. Look at the lighting alone here. And I did this in under 5 minutes. You must be ready. And this is not my studio. I have a studio. And when I say I have a studio, I did not go and build it and all those type of things. If you see the tricks that we use, just get one fine dapper background that is nice. Use that background and make sure you have nice light. Even if it's those big bulbs that they sell in Lagos, have it. One, learn about lighting, aperture, all those sort of things. YouTube is a big game. Don't think it's just posting picture. You can monetize on YouTube, but your packaging must be intact. Your packaging must be intact. Another thing that works on YouTube is live videos. When I do live videos on YouTube, I can get 40, 50 subscribers. I only started revamping my YouTube channel about 30 days ago, 23rd of June, exactly. That was when I started doing this YouTube again. So make sure that you know that when you're coming, you're not doing it because of other people, because you will get fed up. I do YouTube because I'm a content generator naturally. So I got started, why haven't I been doing this thing all my life? So when you go on YouTube, make sure that you have nice thumbnails. There's a description box. Don't just put one small thing in that description box. That description box has 5,000 words. Why would you just put, I'm here in this video, I'm talking about how to sell a book, the strategies to sell a book. No, overwrite. Write and write. Put your website, put your father's blood type, your mother's blood type, everything. Put it there, because what? YouTube works with algorithms. And when they are crawling, they will know exactly what your video is about. Even before watching your video, if you use that description box, just copy all the tags in the whole world and put it in your description box. Let it be full. It's 5,000 words for a reason. It will boost your video to the top. In under a month, people are telling me that they're seeing me in recommended, they're seeing me in suggested all the time. When did I start this YouTube thing? I'm already addicted. I'm like, huh? In fact, there are even more tricks, and that one you will pay for. That I will tell you there are more tricks. This game, I'm telling you, there are so many things. This thing is sweet, It's so sweet. I would think like, where have you been all my life? YouTube, where have you been all my life? So make sure that your lighting and your sound are perfect. In fact, I was using one small mic because I didn't want to spend money. But when I saw the traction on my channel, let me tell you something. I went to Computer Village, sharp. I went to go and buy one genge sound system. If I knew Emeka was calling me, you'll be hearing me here, do. Then you look for aesthetic music, not copyrighted music. Look for aesthetic music. Even if it's subtle, you're going to be hearing it in the background. As I'm talking, you'll be hearing genge. And when you start a YouTube video, there's another thing that people do on Instagram, they do it on Facebook. It doesn't work on YouTube. Let me tell you that thing. Like that people, you can talk rubbish. You don't start talking. Can you see how I started this video? I just started telling you the points immediately. I didn't start saying, how are you, Emeka? I like your red and black shirt. Oh, Dayo, how are you doing? Oh, hello, everybody there. Nice to see you. Somebody has joined. Oh, you joined. They will not watch your video because they don't know who the damn person you are. They don't know you. So when you go there, you just go there and say, hi guys, this is Ronke Posh. Thanks for joining my channel. Oh, don't spend more than 3-4 seconds and just start. Today we're going to be talking about how to sell your book. To sell your book, you need to have a landing page. You need to have a website. You need to have a great book. Just say it. And then if you now want to now do one small transition and say, welcome to my channel, then you quickly do it. But don't spend time on introduction. Somebody put me on their channel. They use 7.5 minutes to introduce themselves. Who wants to watch that? Who knows you? If you want to know more about you, they will go to your website, which you will have linked in your description. Never ever go and put video and be talking about yourself. On YouTube, just start immediately. In fact, now it's even recommended that you should not even have a beginning. Just start. Just start with your content. And then when you put your video, don't just think you will upload it. Link it to a playlist. Link it to other videos. Link it. At the end, when they finish watching, you see some things will be flashing on the screen. They're called end cards. You will see that they'll come in. People can pick. So if I'm talking about, like, I had a video that is working now. You may want to watch that video too. That one has traction too. That one is about masturbation. And you know how people are wanking everywhere now because of virtual world. When I just put that video of masturbation there, I put another one. When you all finish watching that one, you go see another one for pornography. So you will stay on my page. I will hook you. There are hooks that you must use to ensure that people stay on your YouTube page. Use your description. 101 tips to sell to stop the beating and shouting. It's a book that I wrote, which Dayo Samuel did the cover page. Dayo Samuel did the ebook, did everything for me. Thank you very much. And Dayo Samuel also did the cover page of my previous book. He's awesome. He's my best friend forever. I love him so much. So he did all that for me. So he's like family already. But when I put the video of that book, I did that video in this living room in my house with my daughter. And I put it on YouTube. I did not plan to go and sell it there. Honestly, God knows. I just put it there. And I put the link. Come and see. Hey, go and check your analytics. Hey, I did not know. I think, hey, what a good mistake is this one? I better be making good mistake. Oh, God, please help me be making good mistake. So for me, in this COVID-19, towards the end, once my children vacated from school, because I run a school, a posh school, the very best school, and always advertise yourself everywhere you go. Don't be ashamed. The very best school, Parkview Estate. If you want to find out more about our school, aposhschool.com, always advertise yourself because nobody's going to do it for you. And then another thing you must do when you are doing your YouTube, always tell Nigerian people, subscribe. It's not MTN, it's not Airtel, it's free. Because they think they're going to charge them. Even people that have gone to university, they think they will charge them on YouTube. YouTube is free. Subscribe to my channel. Disturb them. Have a mailing list on WhatsApp. Once you have a new video, send it. Nobody is waiting for your video to come out. You are not blown yet. Disturb them. Emeka can disturb somebody. You too disturb Emeka. I put Emeka on my mailing list. I said he's firing his own. I'm firing my own back. I'm firing his own. I'm firing my own back. Disturb people. When you disturb them. In fact, yesterday, some people subscribed to my channel. I told my daughter, because my daughter has a YouTube channel at Dade Post. She dances. So when my daughter, I saw some people subscribe to my channel yesterday because of this mommy calm down business. And I said, how come these people are just subscribing to my channel? I didn't know my friends. Since I started doing this, I would have assumed that they will be on my channel. Irony, let me tell you people, the people that are supposed to be on your back, they are the ones that will not be on your channel. They are the ones. They will be watching you because they want to see whether you will grow or not. When you are now growing, they will now come and do like Hunchback of Notre Dame and come and stay on your back. So don't worry. The people that hate you the most are the closest to you. Don't worry. Let them find you. What you want are international connections. You want people from other countries to find you because you're not going to wait for all this Facebook game, my community. YouTube is an international community. And when you give out something on YouTube, don't be doing something about you or vlogging or what I did. Give solutions. Give solutions. People are looking for solutions. It's a search engine. It's the second biggest search engine in the world. So look for solutions. If you solve a problem, like I solved the problem of masturbation for them, they were flying there. When they did Mommy Calm Down, I did an analysis on it, and I had another video that I had done on Wazobia TV. I posted this so that people will know that there's a solution. I'm not just saying don't beat your children, but these are the strategies that you can use when you don't beat your children. There's another video that I had. It was an animation that somebody did for me with Flotagon or whatever that software is. I didn't even know. When I checked that video, 650 views, that is 2 minutes long. Then another thing that you don't want to do, you don't want to be creating a video of 1 hour. Nigerians don't even have data, number one. And then people they have very short attention span. That's why you must start immediately. And you must hook them. And you see I'm hooking you guys here. Yeah? If I was doing a YouTube video now, I would have transitioned like this. You're going to be finding me on different ways. I'll just go out of my house. And I'm going to, and then guys, hey, you see, you see how I did the lights. You see how it just, hey, it's a television program. They're not coming there to be bored. If your lighting is poor, they're now waiting with this waka pass straight. But if everything, and then you use text, because some people, they read Braille, you can use your captions. Some people cannot read the words properly. Of course, man. Let me not say this is enough ginger for one day, but this is just, let me tell you something, 1/10 of everything about YouTube. This is not even all that you have said. Plus what I've said is only 1/10 of what there is to know. It's a drop in the ocean about what there is to know about YouTube. If you see the discoveries I've been finding on YouTube, I say, now dear, I go die. You get down, you go die there on that YouTube. It is amazing. It is so amazing, and it's so much fun. I love YouTube so much. So I have a 1:30 webinar, and they've already started buzzing me. In fact, I started at 12. I thought I'd give it to 1. I have to go. I love you guys. I love YouTube. And then make sure you subscribe to my channel, okay? And leave a comment. Let me know that you are there. If you have a YouTube channel, I will follow you back. Follow people, support us. Let us be on the map in this world. Not to be known for beating our children, but for producing results, for giving great content. Nigerians, we have content. Let it not just be comedy alone and comedy alone. Solutions to global problems. We have it. Let us deliver. Let us support each other. Subscribe. What you say in Nigeria? In fact, when I started this thing, I saw one teacher. Only one teacher has a YouTube channel. I subscribe. If she posts anything, I click on the bell to get all her notifications. I'm supporting her. I even said, come on, girl, let's do a collab. I don't know her from anywhere. It's just this YouTube. Let's collab. Let's do something together. Let's see. Don't be afraid of collaborations. Together, we will get so much further. So I hope with these few points of mine, I've not been able to confuse you, but I'll be able to convince you to open a YouTube channel if you don't have one, to follow me on YouTube if you are not already following me on YouTube, to buy my books, 101 tips, to grab the bidding and the shouting, www.roncatwash.com/101 tips. Emeka, I gotta go. I gotta go. I love you guys. Bye.